Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Mrs. Chin's online preschool. And this week, we're going to space. So today, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a wreath with all of the planets on it. So this planet page, you need to color all the planets. And I went online and tried to color them according to the way they really looked. So I colored them so they look like that. Then we'll have to cut them out. So before we start, we have to make the outside of our wreath. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of blue and black paint together to make a really dark blue. And then I'm going to paint my whole plate. We're going to leave that on the side to dry. And while we're waiting, we're going to work on coloring these yellow. So I'm going to take the yellow, and today you get to scribble. I know a lot of times we're not really sure about that because I always tell you to stay in the lines. But today, because we're going to cut these out, you get to scribble. So you're going to scribble across the whole page and color all the stars. Then we're going to cut them out. And mom or dad could cut these into strips for you because it would make it easier for you to cut. Okay, thumbs up on both hands, the hand with the scissors and the hand that's holding the paper. And then you want to try to cut on all the lines. So I'm going to take each of these stars and we're going to write the numbers 1 through 10 or 12 if you want to use them all. And what was our other word for 12? 12 is a dozen. So we're going to do these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now I'm going to glue them all on the plates, and then we're going to play a game with them. All right. So now I have some bean bags and I can do it with bean bags, or if you don't have any bean bags at home, you can take your sock and you can roll it up into a ball and you can use that to toss on the plates. Now maybe it's really nice outside and you want to play outside. You could draw circles or stars on the driveway and number them, and then you're going to try to throw these onto the plates in order. So I have to find number 1 first. I got it. Then I have to find number 2. All the way over there. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I made it through all of them. Now you can scatter them out farther apart, or you can even try to toss them and then add those two numbers together. So if I tossed it on 4 and 3, I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7. And you could try to get a higher number or a lower number than somebody else. So we have one star toss game ready to go. All right, now we're going to finish cutting out our planets and then glue them onto our wreath. All right, the sun is the center of our solar system, so we're going to put that one first. Now, if you want to keep the names for your planets, you can. You can cut them out and keep the names. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. And there's a way that you can remember it. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. And that helps you to remember which planets come next. So Venus is my next one. So my very Earth comes next. My very energetic. Then comes Mars. Mars is the red planet because when you see it, it looks red from here. J is next. My very energetic mother, so that's Jupiter. And Saturn is next. Saturn is the one that has the rings. My very energetic mother just served Uranus is next, and it's kind of tilted on its side. It has rings too, and the rings are usually made of gas and ice chunks. So there's Uranus. And Neptune is my last one. Starts with an N, like noodles. There you go. So then you'll have your wreath. You can put a string through it if you want, or you can just put some tape on the back and you can hang it up, or you can hang it with a magnet on the refrigerator. So there's our planets. This one, you need an empty bottle, some vinegar, and some baking soda. And then you're going to take a balloon and you're going to put some baking soda into the balloon. To make sure it goes down through there. There we go. All right, so now I've got the baking soda in there, and I'm going to put some vinegar in the bottom of this bottle. we're going to put this balloon over the top of the bottle. And then when you lift this up, all the powder that's in here, the baking soda, is going to go in and mix with the vinegar. Have any guesses as to what might happen? All right, let's see. Were you right? Did you guess? The vinegar and baking soda react to make a gas, and the gas fills up the balloon. All right, we'll leave that one on here. I did it on a tray though, so that if I was to make a mess, that I wouldn't have a big mess to clean up. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed these. We've got lots more science and space things to do this week. All right, you ready? Let's sing goodbye. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. It's time to say goodbye. Like this video if you enjoyed these activities, and don't forget to subscribe and click on notifications so you'll get notified every time there's a new video posted.